Hello.
Hi, is James there, please?
Yes. Who's calling?
Linda.
One moment, please.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi, James, it's Linda.
Hi, Linda.
What are you doing now?
I'm working.
Are you busy?
Yes. It's been really busy here all day.
What time do you get off of work?
8:30.
I'll call you back after 8:30.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye-bye. David, what have you been up to lately?
I went on a trip with my family last week.
Really? Where did you go?
We went to Europe.
What cities did you go to?
London, Paris, and a few other smaller cities.
Did you go to Berlin?
No, we didn't go there. I'd like to go there next time.
I think the summer is a good time to visit Berlin. It's a beautiful place and the people there are very nice.
That's what I've heard.
I went there last year. If you want, I can give you some information I have about the city.
Thanks. Sarah, what did you do today?
I went shopping.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a few things.
What did you buy?
I bought this coat. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Where did you buy it?
At the mall on 5th Street.
Was it expensive?
And no, it wasn't expensive. It was on sale for $20.
That's cheap.
I know. It was a really good deal.
I don't think you'll need to wear it, for it's been really hot lately. I can't find my glasses and I can't see anything. Can you help me find a few things?
No problem. What are you looking for?
My laptop. Do you see it?
Yes, your laptop is on the chair.
Where's my book?
Which one?
The dictionary.
It's under the table.
Where's my pencil?
There is a pencil front of the lamp.
That's not a pencil. That's a pen.
Oh, sorry. There is a pencil behind the cap.
How about backpack? Do you know where that is?
It's in between the wall and the bed.
Where are my shoes?
They're on the left side of the TV.
I don't see them.
Sorry, I made a mistake. They're on the right side of the TV.
Thanks.
Oh, and here are your glasses. They were next to your cell phone.